Hello guys, welcome back, and today I will show you a simple way to make yomari. I know a lot of you people living outside Nepal wants to eat but you can't find chaku. So here's a great way you can make chaku at home. So I got these jaggery balls, which is molasses sugar, from an Indian grocery store. First you will mix a bowl of rice flour with a quarter of all-purpose flour. Then add warm water a little bit at a time and start kneading. Don't add too much water like you do while you make the dough for your bread. Your finished dough should be soft and separate easily when you pull. If the dough is too hard, then it will break when you cook. Once your dough is ready, then keep it aside for about 10 minutes, and in the meantime make your chaku. In the high temperature, use a deep cooking pot and put the jaggery balls and start stirring. You will need to keep stirring because it will burn if you won't stir. Then once it's all melted, add couple spoons of ghee and stir it again. Then add milk and stir it again for about a minute. Then take it out in a bowl and add grated dry coconut and brown sesame seed. You can also add this while cooking, either way is fine. Now for the cover, take a little bit of oil in your hand and start making the cover. Take a small portion of the dough and first make a round shape and then a cone. Then dip your finger in oil and make a hole on top of the dough and start pressing down to make a bigger hole. Keep rotating the cover while you make the hole. Make sure the thickness is not too thick or too thin. Then fill the cover with the chaku. If the chaku gets too thick, just microwave for 20 seconds and it will be easy to pour in. Fill it up to halfway and then close the top. Cook the yomari for about 15 minutes in the steamer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you'll give it a try. If you make yomari, then
This one.
my Facebook page. I have the link in the description box below. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for future videos and requests. Bye guys.
Peace.